everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are healthy and safe. Today I am going to do another activity. I am making a frog from Badira hands. First I am tracing Badira hands on the sheet and cut. Then I trace circle and cut. Trace long rectangle and cut. Then I paste all the shades together. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.